Factorium CMMS is a computerized maintenance management system on a smartphone providing a brief work plan for you to work anywhere, anytime. You can set a database and maintenance plans through a Factorium web browser and later access the work plans using fingertips. Engineers can easily record and retrieve data for preventive maintenance and inspection. Factorium CMMS reduce unnecessary paperwork and redundant tasks by recording work logs automatically. Tasks can be completed easily and quickly. Production line staff and other supporting departments can plug in and access the installation with zero configuration required on their smartphones. To call an engineer, simply take a picture and generate an online ticket request for real-time maintenance. The requests are sent instantly to relevant engineers, prompting troubleshooting notifications. Factorium CMMS also provides features such as spare parts management, calibration, dashboard, repair tracking, integrate, and more. Factorium CMMS is the most innovative, accessible, and user-friendly system available to increase operational efficiency. Get free trial at factorium.tech.